Short form content is everywhere. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. But do you know the real problem? Most creators and business owners in India are posting content but not getting views, not getting followers, and definitely not getting sales. If that sounds like you, don't worry. Because today I am going to show you 10 types of short form videos that actually convert. I am talking about short forms that bring sales, generate leads, and build a loyal audience. And the best part is you can literally copy these ideas and start using them today. Before I start with the list, let me tell you a quick story. One of my friend in Mumbai runs a small bakery from home. She struggled with Instagram for almost 1.5 years, posting photos, posting quotes, sometimes even reels, but nothing was converting. One day she told me, I am posting content but I am not getting any orders. I can understand what people actually want to watch. Then I helped her switch to short form content that actually sells. And guess what? Within 45 days, her orders went from 10 per month to 140 plus per month just by changing the style of reels she made. So trust me, if you pick the right format, your growth can literally change overnight. The first short form idea we are gonna see is before and after transformation. These go crazy viral in India. Show the problem, then show the transformation. For example, a home decor seller shows messy corner to beautiful decorated space using their product. A salon shows before haircut to after haircut glow up. Why it converts is people love seeing results. And also transformation equals trust. The second short form idea we are gonna see is POW, your customer's real problem. POW content is trending like mad. For example, you are running a small business but no one is noticing your Instagram post. Another one is when Zomato order arrives exactly on time. When your skin finally stops breaking out. Why it converts is relatable content equal to shareable content. The third idea is mini tutorials in 10 seconds. Indians love quick hacks. For example, a saree boutique can make a video like how to style a saree in 10 seconds. A coffee owner can make a video like 3 ways to make your cold coffee look aesthetics. And a fitness coach can make a video like stop doing this workout mistake. These videos not only get saves, they bring followers who trust you. The fourth idea is this or that comparison videos. These perform super well for products and services. For example, this 199 product versus that 999 product. This face wash for oily skin versus this for dry skin. Wired earphones versus Bluetooth earphones for office calls. Why converts is simple, people love choices. Fifth one is the mistake reel. Teach people what not to do. For example, as a digital marketer, you can make a video like stop boosting post, do this instead. A fashion creator can make a video like mistakes you are making while choosing jeans. Mistakes attracts attention because they tap into fear of loss. Sixth idea is behind the scenes. Real India version. BTS content builds trust like nothing else. For example, a chai shop owner shows how they prepare masala chai. A clothing brand shows packaging orders for COD deliveries. A cafe shows how they decorate their shop before opening. Indians audience love authenticity, so the real side. Seventh idea is reaction plus duet style. This explode in reach. For example, reacting to in trending ads like Swiggy, Zomato, Dream11. Reacting to other creators' tips. Reacting to viral memes. This helps you ride the wave of a trend without creating anything from scratch. Eighth idea we are gonna see is customer story in 15 seconds. Storytelling equal to emotions equal to sales. For example, this is Priya from Delhi. She bought our 399 rupees skin care kit and after 10 days she sent this photo. and honestly even we were shocked. These videos convert very well for D2C and service businesses. Ninth idea we're gonna say is you won't believe this hack. Curiosity based content always wins. For example, you won't believe this Amazon tool is free. You won't believe this cafe lighting trick. You won't believe this SEO hack nobody talks about. Curiosity increases retention and retention boosts your reach. The last idea we are gonna see is trend plus value combo. Guaranteed viral mix. This is a secret formula. Use a trending audio but give value. For example, trending audio plus 3 mistake killing your business. Trending audio plus try this content idea today. Trending audio plus how I grow my Instagram from 0 to 10k. This is the easiest way to get both views, growth, conversions. If you watch this video till now, you are deserve to get a bonus tip. And yes, a small bonus tip that very few people talk about. If you want to convert real or short viewers into buying customers, add a CTA like DM me the word start or comment guide and I will send you the link. People in India prefer direct conversation before buying. This small change can double your conversions. Now tell me in the comment which short form content type are you going to try first, and if you want a full script or content plan for your business, type content plan below. I will help you out. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.